Hey, range fans, Kentucky Rimfire and Hobbies here. We're back out here today with the Ruger Precision. Going to try the Captain American Challenge at 50 yards, shooting SK long range match. And we have a Crossfire 2 Vortex 6 to 24 by 50 on top of the rifle. It's all factory trigger. Um, and the UTG, I think it is, one piece cantilever mount. And this gun so far has shot SK long range match pretty good. Our goal with this rifle is to shoot a little uh, KYL challenge at 50 and 100. That's coming up in September. Uh, we thought we'd just go ahead and try our hand at the Captain American Captain America challenge put out by dayattherange.com, uh, or check out Day at the Range on YouTube. Over there, Elijah has the targets posted, and what's cool about it is he has a leaderboard posted on his website. So if you turn in your scores and the information that he requests, even if you do a YouTube video, he will pin your YouTube video to the leaderboard so people can view your video once they review your score. So that's pretty cool, guys. Get over there and participate. If nothing else, just get out and shoot and have fun. Uh, I'd like to see you out there shooting, having fun, and I'm rambling. So let's get to shooting. We'll shoot a couple of siders here and see how we do. It is pouring down the rain, steady rain, but very little wind. Looks like there is a right to left wind ever so slightly. But here we go, guys. Captain America. Ouch. That's not what we want. What happened there? Wow, raindrops. Come on. This is not going to be a good showing. I was hoping for at least 4s. What on this God's green earth? Oh, this is a train wreck. More. Well, I've lost count. Ah, knew it was going to catch up to me eventually. What we got left here? 2 more. Tell me, guys, did I shoot that number 10? I can't see it that well. I think there's a bullet hole in 10. Well, that's not going to be my best showing. Probably not going to turn that in, but we will show it on camera. Some days you win, some days you lose. All right, guys, I'm going to go down here in the rain and get my camera and my target, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, guys, that's not a great showing. So here we got a 1, and here we got a 0, a 4, a 1, and a 4, a 4, a 1. It's breaking white, so it's a 4, a 3, and I could not see that target, and I thought that I had a shot in there, but it was a watermark, so there's a big 0, and we'll call that a 3, and a 2, a 1, a 4, a 3, a 4, a 2, and barely nicked the 1, a 4, and nicked the 2. So 13 in the first column, 13 in the second column, consistent. 12 in the second column, and 10 in the first column. So 23, 36, 49. 49. That is not a good score. But it is pouring down the rain. I did rush. We're still trying out this new gun. But anyways, guys, there's another Captain American challenge attempt. And this one I'm going to say we failed. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.